I'm Kirsten. Welcome to the Edgerton Public Library and our Reading Adventure Club. I'm going to pull my mask off for just a minute. I want to welcome you to the library. I'm going to flip my camera around and show you what's in our Reading Adventure Packet for the week and give you a few book ideas. But before we do that, I just want to say hi and thanks for joining me. Right, I have the camera flipped around now. I want to show you our Reading Adventure Packet this week. It has to do with the letter K. And like all of our packets, we've been including a writing prompt. So this week we have a writing activity on the koala's kitchen and ways to be kind. I think a lot of you will, that will be easy for you to do. I don't know how kind it's going to be, but we're including a kazoo in your packet this week. They can be kind of noisy and kind of annoying. So I hope that you can be kind to your family as you play the kazoo. We also have a letter K word search and a kangaroo activity, something for you to cut and fold, kind of like origami. Okay. And again, we have the directions for all those activities. And those are here for you at the library to pick up. While you're picking up your Reading Adventure Packet, I hope you'll also think about checking out some books, perhaps ones that have to do with the letter K. So a book on kangaroos and other marsupials, animals that have a pouch. Okay. How about a book on koalas? Aren't they cute? Even cuter, a baby koala. Okay. Or Kinkalicious, aren't they cute? And then there are killer whales, if we're going to think about animals that start with a K. Here's one that's part of a series, Who Would Win? So killer whale versus great white shark. We have several books in this series, and you can decide who will win. I brought in some books by authors whose last names start with letter K that I want to share with you. Pinkalicious is a popular character that can be found in our picture book section as well as our easy reader section. The author Victoria Kahn has written quite a few books. How about a book by Daniel Kirk, Library Mouse, and some other adventures of Library Mouse. Those are in our picture book section. And then we have a series by David Kirk, Miss Spider. And some of these are in our easy reader section and some are in our picture book section. So those look fun. I'm going to scoot tables here. If you're in the mood for a mystery, the Nancy Drew series is written by Carolyn Keene. Some of these are very old. When I was a kid, I read this book, and we still have them. They still circulate. And some of the books in this series are newer. They've been kind of rewritten and revised. Are we thinking about snow yet? The Case of the Sneaky Snowman. Another popular mystery series by an author, David Kelly, is the Ballpark Mysteries. I know we're kind of moving out of baseball season, but there's mysteries set at different baseball stadiums throughout the country. The Diary of a Wimpy Kid series, written by Jeff Kinney, is a very popular one. Lots of kids have enjoyed that. And he now has a new series about Rowley Jefferson, one of our Wimpy Kids' friends. So you can check those out. Same author, Jeff Kinney. Horrible Harry is a series written by Susie Klein. And she's also written a series about Harry's friend, Song Lee. So those are shelved together, written by the same author. Maybe this is a good week to read a book by Gordon Corman. Many of his would make great read-alouds. So if you're looking for something to share with your family, maybe take turns reading chapters or have an adult read to you, you may enjoy a book by Gordon Corman. And I want to point out this one in our easy reader section. We Are Growing by the author Lori Keller. This is part of a set of new books coming out that are kind of like the Elephant and Piggy books by Mo Willems. So different authors who are writing in the style of Mo Willems. So if you enjoy the Elephant and Piggy books and you've read them all, there's a few other authors who are publishing books in that same style. So you can look for those read-alikes. Well, I hope I see you sometime at the library this week, either through parking lot pickup or coming in to pick up some books, to pick up your reading adventure packet. I hope you're staying healthy and safe and enjoy this fall weather while we have it. Bye-bye.